In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a component in Figma. If you've ever found yourself copying the same button or icon over and over, components will save you time and keep your designs consistent. Think of a component as a master version of an element, and every time you reuse it, you'll be placing an instance that stays linked to that master. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once you're on the site, open your file and navigate to the page you want to work on. Make sure you already have the element you plan to reuse, like an icon, a button, or a small card. It can be made up of multiple layers, such as shapes, text, and effects. When you're happy with how it looks, you're ready to turn it into a component. Highlight the element or group of elements you want to reuse. With it selected, look to the right-hand panel and click Create Component. After you do this, you'll notice Figma marks it as a component, which means you've just created the master version. This master is what you'll edit in the future if you want changes to flow to every place it's used. To reuse it, open the Assets panel, usually found next to the Layers panel. You'll see your new component listed there. Simply drag it from the Assets panel onto your canvas to place an instance wherever you need it. Each instance is connected to the main component, so if you later tweak the master, like adjusting padding, updating colors, or refining the icon, those updates can propagate to all instances. That's the power of components, consistent updates with minimal effort. A quick tip for staying organized: give your component a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find in the Assets panel and via search. If your design grows, consistent naming helps your future self and your team locate items quickly. You can also customize each instance's text or certain properties without breaking the connection to the master, which keeps your designs flexible while maintaining consistency. Let's recap the flow so it sticks. Open the Figma website, open your page, select the element you want to reuse, click Create Component on the right, then go to the Assets panel to find it. From there, drag it onto your canvas whenever you need another copy. That's all it takes to build a reusable design system piece by piece. With that, you now know how to create a component in Figma and reuse it confidently across your designs.